arrived at the airport and we had to drive 4 hours to get here. We had to leave at 2:30. And because it was the new year, we were up all night because people were partying, but we made it here and it's very, very busy. But the flights are going to Lukla, which is really good. Well, we've just made it to Lukla and it's pretty spectacular.
Let's miss it.
Sight person dead?
The pilot.
Hello?
I can't get up. I never get up my knees.
Okay, so this morning is our acclimatization day, and we've had a pretty good morning hike, and this is the view of Namche Bazaar. It's just so beautiful. We saw the first glimpse of Mount Everest. It's amazing, so we're going to look at it again, and just going up and down really today, but it's so beautiful. I can't put into words, but a little bit more hiking left.
Yeah, it's looking very good. Hello.
So just walking up the steps to Everest View Hotel. 3,880 meters. So yeah, let's see.
As it was, the steps had all the way, and then there was a lot of flat land, so it felt easy.
What's this village called?
Kumjung.
Kumjun.
Where Edmund Hillary, Sir Edmund Hillary built a school for Sherpa children.
Come on, son.
Hello.
He's on a spaceship.
So we're just going to visit this school that was set up by Sir Edmund Hillary for the Sherpas. So they're playing volleyball. So, day 4 on the trail. It's going pretty well so far. It's not too taxing. We had a cup of tea, hot chocolate, lots of that. And then we're just dropping down into the valley for some lunch by the river. And then I think comes the hard part. 700 meters up. But I'm sure it'll all be worth it in the end. Here comes some porters. So we have to hike up, back up there, and we have to drop down to the river. So that should be fun. But this morning's been pretty gentle, bit of up, bit of down, nothing too crazy. So So, but at the top, apparently there's a monastery, and the monks do some rituals and practices and stuff. So I'm sure it will all be worth the wait. And every step you take, the view just gets better and better and better. So. If you want. I think it's gonna rain. Getting pretty wet. Met an Irish couple that are going to the summit, and they're pretty cool. And now we're at Tembushane Monastery. Day 7 on the trail. We're 1 day away from Everest base camp, and we just trekked up a massive hill, and now we're at the Everest Memorial, which is very interesting. Here we go. Pretty cold too, and harder to breathe, but me and Dad are feeling pretty good. We just walk as slow as we possibly can, and people have rushed past us and they're struggling, so slowly is definitely the way. But I'm so excited. One more day to Everest base camp, and it will all be worth it. So today's the day we go to base camp. Woohoo! Not long now, lots of up and down. It's quite hard to breathe, but we'll soon be there and it will all be worth it. Alice Radbourne, you'd love the rocks here. Thinking of you, babe. So we just had a bit of a drink. Now only 2 hours till Everest base camp. I think it's going to be a long 2 hours though. So yeah.
Hello guys, this is me, Budhi, and then here Asar, Nick, and here Jojo. We call her Gorgeous. We're heading to Everest base camp. We're just almost there. Just about like 20 minutes from here. You can see lots of tent over there. So this is for expeditions to Everest. So this is the season for expeditions. So it is not clear though. Okay. Being here.
Oh, amazing.
Very nice.
Very nice.
What about you? Just
Very good.
very good. I remember your student because you have the T-shirt of your schools. Say hello to all your students.
Michael Church,
Michael Church Primary School. Okay. Okay, namaste from Nepal too. Hello guys, everybody.
So we made it to base camp, and I can't tell you how happy I am. Woohoo! Yeah, I got them. Dal.